Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL 3T10, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications straight from the top, and you can also swipe down once more to extend the list. Hopefully somewhere here you'll find your hotspot toggle, which I do not see by default, so you can press right here on the edit button, and then hopefully there will be a toggle to add. There we go, hotspot. So as you can see, it tells us drag to add. So we're gonna hold it and drag it over, drop it, and there we go. Click on the check mark, and now we have access to it from our notifications right over here. Now before you tap on it to turn it on, I urge you to hold it. And this will take you to the settings, and in here you want to select setup mobile hotspot, and this will give you the option for password. Now you can select right here show password, but as you will see, password is randomly generated and it looks absolutely abhorrent, and I don't really recommend using it. It's not easy to remember nor to type it in, so what you can do is select it, completely get rid of it, and then set up your own password. It needs to have at least 8 characters in a length. So there we go, at which point you can save it. And that's really all I would recommend changing. You do have option to a couple different things like the AP band, the name of the network, and how many people can connect to it. So set them up to your liking. If you don't know what these settings do, or some of them, then I recommend keeping them as they are. This will ensure that you can connect to your hotspot whenever you need to, without any kind of like fiddling around with it or trying to troubleshoot it. So let's select save, and now we can simply toggle it on either from here, like this, or from the notifications right here. It is turned on right now, so if I tap on it again, I'll disable it. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if you just seen this, Wi-Fi did turn back on when I turned off hotspot. So when you enable hotspot, it turns off Wi-Fi because it uses the same antennas to broadcast the signal, and because of this you will be strictly running off of mobile network for the hotspot, and if you use this device, again, this device will only be running off of hotspot as well, or not hotspot, off of mobile data. When you turn it off, it will bring back your Wi-Fi, connect to whatever network you had connected previously to. So there we go. Now, once you're done with your hotspot, I do recommend trying to remember about it and turn it off, because as you've seen, it does disable your Wi-Fi when it's enabled. So that's problem number one. You would be always running off of mobile data if you even have a SIM card. And second thing is, hotspot does consume more battery, so if you're not really using it, there is no point having it enabled. So as you've seen before, all you would do is just tap on a toggle to turn it off. And with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.